Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I will be discussing about Jio job vacancies. The application to apply has been started on the 9th of July 2021. So without any further delay, let's get started. This is the official website of Jio. You all know about Jio as the famous company. So now go to bottom of this page and you can see there is an option called careers. Click on that and click on jobs. You can see lot of job vacancies has been released. I will click on sales and distribution. There are a lot of job posts in different states. I will click on random state post. Job responsibilities you should have: ensure a delightful customer experience at store, acquire new customers, provide post-sales service to walk-in customers, achieve acquisition and revenue targets. Manage systems and store operations, ensure stock availability in store, ensure merchandising visibility in store, maintain supply chain stability and inventory, ensure daily cash deposit, and manage utility payments. The minimum education qualification has to be 10th or 2nd PUC or graduation degree in any discipline. Freshers can apply to this job, or 1 to 2 years job experience in sales. The skills you should have: basic computer knowledge, smartphone usage, speak local language, English reading and writing, cash handling skills, sales and customer handling, and ability to learn. At bottom, apply to this job by clicking to apply button. Now we will talk about customer service. There are a lot of job vacancies. Click to view job criteria. Job responsibilities you should have: manage all customer interactions as rostered within parameters, demonstrate ownership on calls when contacted by customer, respond to all customers in appropriate tone and language, offer a solution-based approach for all customer interactions, educate the customer at every given possible opportunity, ensure updation of product, system, process and policy knowledge, adhere to roster timing, scheduled shifts and activities, capture customer details and data relevant to the call or service, resolve customer queries within agreed timelines, manage outbound campaigns as per business requirement, increase, develop and retain customer base through relationship building and service, follow all contact center policies, procedures, code of conduct and legislative requirements. The minimum education qualification has to be 10th or 2nd PUC or graduation degree in any discipline. You should have experience 6 months to 2 years. The skills you should have: speak English language, basic computer knowledge, problem solving skills, customer focus, technical orientation, attention to detail, service mindset. At bottom, apply to this job by clicking to apply button. Link is provided in description. You can check it out and apply for this job. That's it for today. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Daily I will be updating new job vacancies. Thank you for watching.